I'm taking an adventure all the way from Manhattan to the Bronx. I took an express bus that took me less than 20 minutes to get to Pelham Bay Park in the Bronx. And now I'm crossing a bridge from the mainland to Pelham Bay Park, and then I'm taking another bridge to a place called City Island. It's pretty foggy right now, but the sun is coming up and it's clearing up, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. There's this horse farm, and this horse came up to the gate to greet me. There are deer in these woods, which is really cool. I saw one by the side of the road, but it ran away before I got a really good video of it. But it's pretty cool. This place is kind of magical. It's been a while since I've been here, so I forgot what it's like. So one cool thing about Pelham Bay Park is Orchard Beach, which is not the best beach you'll ever go to, but it's good enough. And after a bit of walking, here I am at Orchard Beach with the fog. It looks pretty awesome, and there's not that many people here, which is something I'm always looking for. So the last time I was here, people were swimming and there was a lifeguard, but now there's a lot of red flags and these like ditches that are dug in the sand that I think are supposed to keep you away from the waterfront. I don't think I'll be swimming today, which is something I wondered I might do, but obviously that seems like a bad idea. Oh my God, this beach is so much more beautiful than I remember it being. I remember the sand being more like dirt and mud. I remember the water not being blue, but now it's super blue. The sand is very sandy, and it's just absolutely amazing in the morning light to be here with so few people, listening to the waves. The last time I was here, I don't remember there being any waves. This is great. This is an awesome beach. I take back everything I said before. You can't really surf here, but in terms of feeling inner peace, I am right there. Well, I could probably spend all day here, but I want to head to that island over there, City Island, not just to explore, but to hit the lunch special before anyone else is there to avoid, you know, coronavirus. So I'm going to start heading out towards City Island. for sure you could do on City Island is get seafood. And I came here once before with my friend Jesse, and we came to some place that had this great lobster lunch special that came with soup, came with sides, came with a potato and a lobster, all for less than $30. And it took me a little bit of figure out which place it was, but I think it's definitely this place, the original crab shanty. I'm getting my food to go because I don't want to eat inside, but I'm super stoked about it. I only had a banana and coffee this morning, so I'm ready to fill up on some seafood. I found this cute little gazebo that may or may not be private property. And I'm going to enjoy my lunch until they kick me out. Oh my God. I think that lunch was such an incredible deal. It came with a whole hoagie-sized garlic bread. It came with 2 baked clams, 1 jumbo shrimp, a whole lobster. It came with a baked potato and clam chowder, all for like $27. I ended up paying like $30 with tip and tax. I think still a really good deal. I am so full right now. And I'm gonna walk it off. I'm trying to get to this other island that looks like it's attached to City Island on Google Maps called High Island. It's a privately owned island and apparently only has like radar equipment on it. I'm kind of curious, so we'll see if we can get there. Okay, so there's a gate between where I am and where the bridge is to High Island, so private property, can't get there. Oh well, looks cool. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!